Hello friend, this is my Excel tip number 1. Here I am using V-lookup function with the multiple table. But before doing so, I want to show you a single table V-lookup function. Like this one, we have a product and their prices in this table, and I want to fetch prices of this product from this table range. So I am using V-lookup function. Here, this is our lookup value, and this is our single table array. I am selecting this, freezing them with the F4 key, and the next syntax is column index number. So we have prices column number 2, this table array. First is product and second is the column number for the prices. So I'm using 2 over here, and we are using exact match over. We got the price of this product. I'm just clicking this over here, so I got the prices of all these products. This is a simple VLOOKUP function where we have only single thing. What of the scenario like this one? We have a 5 different table over here, and I want to fetch pricing of these product from these 5 different tables. Here I am using a choose function and the indirect function to fetching the pricing from these 5 different tables. First I am using a choose function. Before doing so, I have named all the table over here. This is US underscore Alaska, US underscore Texas, US underscore Florida, and last two is Canada underscore Ontario and Canada underscore Europe. These are the 5 different tables. First start with the choose function. The first syntax is the index number. To get the index number, we have to use match under this choose function. Our lookup value will be this US underscore Alaska. For that I am using a concatenate function for combining these two cells. First cell is this, comma, since we have a underscore, so I am using this. The second one will be Alaska. So this is our lookup value. If I click over here lookup value and press the F9 button, you can see this is the lookup value US underscore Alaska, and Control Z, so I can do this one. Lookup array will be this, the name of the all table. I'm selecting these, freezing them with the F4, and I want the exact match. So I get the index number for this one. So I can see here, like my first index number is 1. Okay, Control Z. The next argument is a value 1. So US underscore Alaska has a table number 1, so I am selecting this table number 1 for value 1. I'm freezing them, next comma, next I will value 2. Our second table number is US Texas. I'm selecting this, freezing them, next comma, value 3. Value. The next third number table is US Florida, selecting them, freezing. Next value 4 or table 4 is this one, selecting them, then freeze them, and our last table is Canada, just this one, freeze them. So I have select all the table over here. Closing this choose function, I get the value error because we are getting the complete array in this single cell. That's why we are getting this value error. If I select this whole function and I like this and I hit the F9 button, I get this table A product, and then price is 10 P for price is 15, C price for 20. Control Z. If I drag this one, I get all the value error. So suppose I'm in Texas, this column, and I select this cell and hit the F9 button, I get the US Texas. Here I get the range of the US Texas. You can see TEF and their prices. So our array is correct under this cell. So I only have to add the VLOOKUP in this choose function. I'm using VLOOKUP. Our lookup value will be this, comma. This whole choose function will be our table array for this VLOOKUP function. Since our price is in the second column, I am using 2, then exit match, close parentheses, this one. So I got the pricing of all these product out of these 5 tables. Like see, US Florida, double M product, here pricing for this. So this is the choose method where we have used a multiple table under